There's two formulas that you can use for this. The one that I like to use the best is this one, A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT power, where P is the amount that you're investing, or present value. A is the future value. And then you have R, which is your rate, which is a percent that you need to convert over to a decimal when you compute the problem. N is the number of times the money is compounded per year. So it could be, for example, quarterly, in which case that means 4 times per year. It could be annually, which means only 1 time per year. Semi-annually, and that would be, I'll just go that way, twice per year. Could be monthly, 12 times per year. Could be daily, 365 days per year. The problem will tell you which one that is. And then you have T, which is time in years that you've invested the money. Right, so in our problem, they're asking to, beginning in 12 years from now, so our T is 12, find the lump sum she must deposit today. So this is what we're looking for, so that $350,000 will be available. That's the future value. At the time of retirement, interest rate 7%. So that needs to change to a decimal, 0.07. And it's compounded quarterly. So quarterly, we said, N was equal to 4. If I plug this into this formula, though, it's not solved for P. That's what I'm looking for. So if I divide off by the parenthesis, 1 plus R over N to the NT to both sides of the equation, all I'm doing is rewriting the formula, but now it's solved for P. All right, and now I can plug in the information. So A was 350,000 divided by, and then in the bottom, parenthesis 1 plus the rate 0.07 divided by N, which is 4, raised to the 4 times 12. Well, that I can do in my head. 4 times 12, 48. From here, you need your calculator, and you need to know how to enter it into your calculator. The calculator that I have is the, I think it's a TI-83. All right, so with this, I can type in what I see, 350,000 divided by, open parenthesis, 1 plus 0.07 divide by 4, and then this button raises it to the 48th power. All right, so she's going to need $152,200.47 if I'm rounding to the nearest penny. I forgot my 47 cents. If you don't have a calculator like that, then you can do order of operations. Do what's inside parentheses first. So take and do the division first. So 0.07 divided by 4 equals. Figure that amount out. Then add 1 to it. Figure that amount out. Then raise it to the 48th power. Figure out that amount. Write that number down in its entirety. and then take 350,000 and divide it by that entire number, 2.299598724. Okay, and you get the same answer.